Condo or house? It sounds simple. It's absolutely not. And the wrong choice could cost you or save you $1,500 a month. Let me break it down to you before you make a very expensive decision. Right now in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, the median condo is $225,000. The median single-family home is $385,000. That's a $160,000 gap. But here's what nobody shows you. The real monthly cost gap is even bigger when you add property taxes, HOA fees, and maintenance costs. Condos, about $2,100 a month all in. Houses, closer to $3,600 every single month. Condos win on three things. One, that $160,000 you didn't spend is a down payment on your financial life. Two, the HOA fixes the roof, the plumbing, and the parking lot. Not you, not your credit card, and not you trying to figure it out on a Saturday. And three, location. A condo in Uptown Dallas has a walkability score of 90. The house you can afford in Celina has a walkability score of 11. 11. As in you're driving everywhere for everything forever. But, and this is a big but, condos come with three things that will keep you up at night. Your HOA can hit you with a special assessment for $10,000 with 30 days notice. You own zero land, and in DFW, land is where the money is. Frisco single-family homes are up 68% in 10 years. Condos, about half that. And good luck getting FHA or VA financing if your building isn't on that approved list. And spoiler alert, a lot of them are not. Houses win on a few things: space, schools, and long-term wealth. You own the land. You own the equity growth. Frisco ISD is ranked top 5% in the country, and it's free. But houses will also bill you $9,000 a year in maintenance, stick you on the I-35 for 52 minutes each way, and your property tax bill on a $385,000 home could run $12,000 to $16,000 a year. Texas has no state income tax, but they absolutely make up for it in property taxes. Ask anyone who just opened their Tarrant County appraisal notice. I know a lot of them are like trying to fight it right now. So here's the answer nobody wants to give you. It depends. Buy a condo if you're a first-time buyer, a remote worker who wants to live in the city, or anyone who has never replaced a HVAC unit and wants to keep it that way. Buy a house if you got kids, care deeply about schools, and think in decades and not years, and have a plan for the commute. The DFW condo market right now is the most buyer-friendly it's been in 5 years. Prices down 17%. Sellers negotiating. Builders offering incentives. The window is open. Drop your situation in the comments, and I will personally tell you which one makes more sense for you. Follow for weekly market updates, no fluff, just data, and please, read the HOA docs before you sign anything. I beg you.